Hey guys. Okay, so it's not uncommon, let's just say, for clients to refer to me as Debbie Downer. See, a big part of my role is to review sites and review proposals and to provide feedback as to what I think council's going to say as part of an application. A lot of the time, I find myself looking at these proposals or these plans and just going, I'm sorry guys, I can't lodge that application for you. I can't in good conscience spend your money and your time going down that path because I don't believe council's going to support the application. Yeah, hence the name Debbie Downer. Kind of makes sense, right? Anyway, today, Debbie Downer, she has taken a backseat. Today you have positive Pete here because I have some great news for you guys. See, here's the thing. Start of each financial year, council always increases their fees in line with CPI. As their base expenses increase, they have to pass those costs on to everyone else. It makes sense. It's only fair, right? Well, in response to all the economic and COVID stuff that's been going on recently, they've decided to freeze their fees. So that means that you guys don't need to race or rush to try and get applications in to beat that fee increase, which is great news. However, having said that, I do have, let's just say, a word of warning for you guys. Every single designer that I've spoken to recently is absolutely flat strap. Like, I've got designers who have always adamantly said to me, I will never have team members. I do not want that management headache. Yeah, they're hiring at the moment. I even have one firm, they've put a new staff member on, they've increased their fees, they've started turning away work, and they still can't keep up. It is ridiculous. Anyway, so I caught up with B earlier this week and we had a chat about, okay, this bubble that's sort of looming on the horizon, that's going to filter down to us in maybe 1 month, 2 months time, because we're next stage or next step in the process. How on earth are we going to keep up with that? I mean, I love the adrenaline rush of having that pressure and doing all that sort of stuff, but I'm blah, 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 blah. I need coffee. What I'm hearing about or what I'm seeing on the horizon, it's next level. It's big. So anyway, the point I wanted to say is you may not need to rush to get your applications in to beat the fee increase, but you might want to, if you're considering, like if you're at the point where you're ready to hit go on that application, you might want to hit go on it sooner rather than later, so you beat getting caught up in that absolute mess that is coming our way. It's a little bit crazy. Fun crazy, but a little bit crazy. So anyway, that covers everything that I wanted to talk about today. As I always say, until next time, thanks for watching.
For all you red tape lovers out there, I have one thing to say. Well, no, actually, I've got three. Number one, the advice provided in these videos is general in nature. It's not site specific. You would be a silly billy to go and make financial decisions based on this advice without first checking with the town planner. Don't be a silly billy. Number two, Brisbane town planning is in no way linked to Brisbane City Council. The views expressed in these videos are my own, not council's. So if you don't like them, blame me, not council. Number three, what was my number three? Oh yeah, the views expressed in these videos are accurate at the time of recording. If you're watching this video back 10 years from now, the views may not be so accurate. That's all. Bye.